Okay, Rainer, I know this is a new machine. It's also the smallest machine SW have ever produced. Why have you built it?
We have typically machines from 300 spindle distance onwards if it's a twin. This is a 200 or 250, and it goes up to 800 millimeters in spindle distance. Well, once you develop a different or a certain direction, you once look up and also on the lower end of the scale. And this machine is for automotive parts, but also we think that we can make some inruns in the electronics, in the medical, and maybe in the watch industry and stuff, which makes this machine possible for us.
Yeah, what sort of metal removal rates are we likely to see with this machine? I know it's going very fast.
Well, the fastness of the machine is, frankly, is one thing. Speed and acceleration rates, which are up to 2G per axis. And the metal removal is mainly driven by the spindle itself. We have our own spindle, a SW-built spindle in that, with 17 Newton meter of torque. And so the rates, metal removal rates, depend very much on the material. So I would have to give you a listing. So I think I skipped that part of what metal removal rates. But it's equivalent to what the spindle can take.
So for a small machine, it's quite a high torque spindle, isn't it? So I'm presuming aluminium, steels, maybe titaniums also?
Also titanium, you take smaller chips like titanium impellers for trucks or passenger cars would be a good thing for it. So also, and if you talk about medical, or if we want to talk about medical, we have to see these high grade steels and titanium and these kind of materials anyway, yes.
Sure. So the BA 222, it's the new machine here at AMB. So, and you see it across all sectors, including the medical industry.
Yeah. It's mainly automotive, that's where we're coming from, and the 222 means 200 spindle distance, 2 tables and 2 spindles, just to give you the explanation of the name. And yes, we are making some medical parts here, or at least mimic that as a demonstration during the show. On the other pallet, which is now in the work zone, we machine a scroll compressor. The scroll compressor is a thing which will be used more and more in hybrid or electrical cars, because to make air-conditioned systems and stuff, it's more and more used in that, because it takes less energy.
And I'm interested to learn a bit more about the control. I see it's got very fast rapids as well, so what's driving it?
Well, the thing is, this is with the Siemens Control 840D solution line, which we're using since many years, and it's optimized. First of all, the machine structure is optimized, so you move the least amount of weight for the maximum power. So basically, machines are designed from the tooltip and what forces you want to generate, and then you design your stiffness of the structure behind it, so to match that. If I would need a Belgian workhorse, a plow horse, I would have a different structure as having a racehorse.
Yeah.
So.
And I see you've got a model in your hand, so can you just tell me what makes your machines different to everybody else's?
Yeah, the starting point is that we have a monoblock, which is a single piece block. It looks like a cube, and actually we call it the cube. And within the cube, the forces are contained inside. The machining forces against what you have as a reaction on your workpiece, on your fixture. And then we have a double swivel horizontal pallet changer, which is locked on 1 or 2 sides in the Hearst coupling. We have a full 4-axis always. It comes with the machine as is. And 5th axis is as an option. And when you bring this one fixture into your work zone, you machine it horizontal with twin spindles like on this one and the other sizes, and you have the best maximum ship flow you can ever get from a machine. That's why we're doing horizontals. And the 3-axis unit on the rear is a box-in-a-box design, which makes it also very stiff and lightweight. And because you were touching the point of speed or acceleration, with less weight, you can drive your acceleration up. That's the name of the game. If you look Formula 1, you know that they make their cars as light as possible to get the maximum power out of it.
Well, it's a nice looking machine. I'm sure it's going to sell well, and I wish you good luck.
Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing some more customers in the UK. Danke. Thank you very much.